Text, text, text. You see text on your TV, you see text on your computer, and most importantly, you see the text your ex messaged you on your smartphone.
Oh no!
You will think about why your ex messaged you. But have you ever thought about how coding makes it possible for us to see this text? How do we see these outputs all around us? Well, in Python, it happens because of the print function. The print function tells Python that whatever I'm typing within this function, you have to display that. Let's see it in action. So I'm going to show you how the print function works in the Codephobe app. I'm in the coding playground. You start with the function name, which is print, then open and close brackets. Within those brackets, you open, close quotes, and within those quotes, you type the text that you want to display. In our case, we are going to type follow Codephobe just to make Phobe happy. Then we run the program, and as you can see, the output shows follow Codephobe. It did what it was supposed to do, it displayed the text. Try writing the print function right now and let me know if you succeeded in the comments below.